Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am Emily. I am gonna ride this. I'll try to ride this. I'm gonna session this shit until I give up. Probably gonna give up or crash. One of the two. So yeah, I'm in nimowin, I think, trail system in Birds Hill Park. I think I came up this. No, I think I came up this way. I think I came up this. I think I came up that. Now I'm gonna go up this. Up this. Right there. Or there. That way. Birdie. There flies. No, he's out of sight. I walked this last time I was here, but I didn't ride it. I just walked it. It looks a little intimidating. Could this be Birds Hill Park Black Diamond? Or could this be classified as double Black Diamond for Birds Hill Park? Because Black Diamond's over there. And I think it's a lot tougher than what it is on the Burr Oak Trail. So I want to session this and see if I can ride the whole thing. But I'm going to go as far as I can, then come back, then go as far as I can, then I'll figure it out. Oh, when I edit, I'll make it look exciting. So I'm going to hit it up. I set up my bike, did the front shock, did the back shock, pumped up the tires, and if you ever watch my channel, you know how little I mention bike setup. This might actually be the first time. So I spent the time to set up my bike and came out here with zero ambition because it rained yesterday. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I'm gonna get on it. See ya. Ooh. So here's the climb. The first climb. Okay, we're not going to call that a win. So I think we're going to do the climb again. Here we go again, round two. There we go. Oh, so now I have two line choices. Okay, my bars can fit. Okay, let's try and stay low on this side of the rock. So I think one important thing about sessioning is see if you can ride your way back. Oh, fuck. That was a bug. Because obviously, if I can ride it there, I can ride it back. Oh God, we're washing that down. Okay, round three. Oh, I won't have to eat after that. Round four. Round five. There we go. Heels down, baby. Heels down. Not enough speed. Round 6. So there are ants out here, and they're crawling up my leg. Ground's soft. I'm nervous. Ground is soft. It just rained yesterday. Ah, shit! I had it too. Front tire's dug in. Who? Saved it. Oh, this was not my line. I think, yeah, I could have done it. 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 Yeah, I'm not getting very far. Round 10? Round 9, round 10? Ooh, tree. I'm gonna accept it. Okay, that was ugly. Oh, that was even uglier. So I did my first run. It was ugly, but I did it. So that's all that matters, right? I'll do it again and see how ugly this one is. I didn't come back. There's another loop. There's another loop on the other side. A nice gentle spin. I lost my foot. I lost my foot. My foot bounced off. And I lost my foot. Singing over and over and over again. Lost enough. That's the song you get stuck in your head when you're sessioning. Over and over and over again. Everything is mud. Mud, 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 mud. Everything is mud. Mud, 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 mud. I can't make the climb. So we walk back up the climb. Take 1,000. Smash that tree. Why am I even trying? So I'm not going to make it. Do the sexy between the leg dismount. The sweat's running. Glasses are fogging up. This trail is becoming easier the opposite way. Whoa! Apparently, a rock like this can screw up your line. Hey, this is that climb I can't do. Now that I'm not trying to avoid that rock, this should be easier. Oh. Hit the shoulder. I feel like I've been at this forever. Like my whole hour has been spent. Right here. That's a tricky little section. I tried something new, and it didn't quite work. Huh. Now with that rock out of the way, I'm not gonna make it. I need more of a running start. I got no run left in me. I'll smash this tree again. Ting! Oh shit! And I never recovered my foot. Oh, I'm gonna have to call this pretty soon. I'm getting very tired. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this. I'm getting tired. Physically and mentally tired. My session day is over. Oh, I'm not even gonna do this. Getting to the point to where I'm just mentally fatigued and I'm making very stupid decisions. And when you start making stupid decisions, that's when it's time to call it. My legs are shaking. So, I didn't quite come out here and accomplish what I wanted to do, but I did, in a way. A lot of the, got some parts of that ridge, but no, I'm just, so I'm back at the car. Something happened with the GoPro. It stopped recording or didn't. I thought the battery died, but when I changed the battery, it said repairing file, so I don't know what file I lost. But my session day I ended. I'm mentally just, there's so many times you can do the same trail, you get physically tired, mentally tired. And I think I just started making stupid mistakes. The ground was still soft. I was slipping in some of the mud or the soft ground, and I was able to go back better than I was able to go forward. I think it was just an easier line going the one way than the other way. So it's kind of a wins. Easier going that way than it was that way, but I was able to go that way pretty good and able to go that way pretty good. So sometimes, yeah, I'd have to put my foot down and stop, put my foot down, and then continue going again. A lot better than what I actually did the first time. There were some wins that I could take away from this. There were wins. There were some losses. I didn't crash. I'm not hurt. I get to go home and eat and go grocery shopping. Tomorrow's supposed to rain, so I don't know. I haven't even seen Endgame yet. It's May 25th. I haven't even seen Endgame yet. I might go see Endgame tomorrow if it rains. And hopefully this helps. It's gotta help. It can't hurt, right? So take care. Have fun.